everyone, welcome to another video of Gochi Academy's creative art activity for kids, and today we are going to see some of the very beautiful and colorful art activity. So let's just go ahead and check out what we are going to do and how it turns out. So for today's activity, all we need is two art material. One is a piece of paper and the other one is glue spreader. So the glue spreader actually creates magic on your sheet. I'm just going to show you the simplest way how to start with it. And I have some colors here and I'm just going to scoop up and put it in the spots that I really like. So if you want, you can squeeze the colors directly to your sheet, but I'm just going to do it this way today. And these are a couple of my favorite colors. So now I have placed the colors and I'm just going to make the stroke. So if you just push the glue spread a little towards the sheet, this is the stroke it gives. And if you just keep it straight, this is the kind of a stroke it gives. Using the glue spreader, it gives a different kind of strokes, but you can slowly explore how to do it. And today I'm not pushing it against the paper or I'm not keeping it straight. I'm just applying the colors like I apply the glue using this glue spreader. So make sure you use 2 or 3 colors so that it will be very interesting. Or if you want to try with one single color, or if you want to try it with a light and a dark blue, light and dark colors, it's going to look really very good. Don't expect any results because end of the day it is going to give an amazing magic on your sheet. So just enjoy every stroke and enjoy the colors and how it fuses together. That way it is going to end up as a beautiful work. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So this is a very simple techniques that I am showing, and you feel free to explore more ideas with this because this is just the base, and these kind of activity actually boost kids' creativity and also it gives the happy mental health. So have your kids celebrate the painting, just enjoy with the colors, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, bye from Meenatchi Gopal.